Well, the March jobs report is out, and here to tell us all about it is president of Wilsey Asset Management, Brent Wilsey. Brent, good morning.
Good morning. Good to be here.
So the news, good news on Good Friday.
Good news on Good Friday. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, and it was kind of concerning because last February, we had a bad jobs report, lost jobs. Gosh, it was down 133,000 jobs, and oh my gosh, the economy's going to go into recession. It's going to be terrible. Well, we try to point out to people that 76,000 jobs last month were lost because of the strike at KUSI. Well, now that strike is over and those jobs are back. So you really got to look at the details of the data to understand what is going on. Because if you don't, you're going to panic at the wrong time or make bad investment decisions at the wrong time without the right data.
How does the jobs report affect the market overall?
It's pretty important because you know that if the jobs report is poor, well, people will be spending less, which means less income. People won't be borrowing as much. So it does affect the overall market because it's something that makes people feel good if people are spending and so forth. And I did look at the credit card debt. It's about 1.3 trillion. Still not that bad compared to where the numbers actually are, net worth and everything else. But I mean, the jobs report showed that, unemployment is now back down to 4.3% from 4.4% last month. And why that's important is that is pretty much full employment. You have people, I'm sure you've talked to people like, yeah, I got laid off. Maybe I'll get a job in a few months. I mean, we're just not in a hurry. You feel pretty good. So that's why you'll never get down to zero unemployment. 3.9, I believe, is the lowest in history, and we're pretty close to that. So we got a good, strong job market. And the jobs are pretty well laid out pretty well. Again, they came across in healthcare, did very well. Also, too, we saw it was construction, which surprised me. Construction had 26,000 more jobs. We had good things with construction. The one that I love seeing is the federal government, how it keeps dropping in jobs. It was down from 2004, October 2004. I mean, gosh, they've taken away about 355,000 jobs from government, about almost 12%. That was down again for this month. So they keep having less jobs in the government. And you may not remember this, I do. I remember back past administrations, oh yeah, the jobs report looks great. Yeah, because they had all these federal jobs.
Right, right. Now, every week you sit down and you go through stocks and you look at companies on a weekly basis. How much does the jobs report affect what you do in analyzing the stocks?
It's something that doesn't affect it that day. It's something that you look at trends over time, and people say, oh, the data's incorrect. Well, if you use the same data, it may not be accurate. And again, these are surveys, so they're not, they don't count every single unemployed person. They're surveys. It's an analysis that they do. But you use the data over and over again, so it makes me feel comfortable when I'm saying, yeah, we're going to buy XYZ business, this week. We're going to spend $40 million to do that. I feel comfortable because people have jobs, and also too, I know if they quit their job, they can get another job. So it's an important factor. Again, I don't want to say it's the only factor. I mean, that's why people say, oh, investing's easy. It's really not. People spend 5 minutes picking a stock. I mean, we spend hours, days many times, analyzing the employment data, the debt data, the company. I mean, it takes so much to be on top of things. You can't just say, I'm going to buy this stock without knowing what's going on in the economy.
Are you optimistic about what the April job report might bring?
I am. I'm a little bit concerned on the inflation reports because the inflation report in March could be a little bit higher. I think that comes out April 10th. That could be a little bit higher, around a 3.4, maybe a 3.5. If the situation continues, I saw on the news, what's going on with Iran and so forth. Tuesday's the deadline, so hopefully that does work. But we could see, if that's not corrected, we could see unemployment in April, which come out May 10th, that could be in the 4s. And then you start getting a little bit worried about inflation. So it's good data coming out, but again, it can change on a dime. And that's why you can't, on January 1, say, okay, this is what I'll do for the year, and then just go play tennis or something. No, you got to stay on top of it all the time.
Okay. Brent Wilsey, Wilsey Asset Management. Thanks, Brent.
You're welcome.
Ali